Morning, afternoon, evening. So I'm just doing hive inspection. Look at the brood box. I want to confirm if this colony's queenless or not. I'll put a link to the last video in the description to this about why I think it might be queenless, but also I'm trying to get these frames drawn. So quickly going to check. Frames are drawn and there's larvae in these frames. I don't understand why. This is above a queen excluder. It's like drone larvae. So is there a queen up here? I guess I'll just thoroughly check this now, see if there's a queen up in this super. There's nothing on these other frames, so no. Okay, so this is the super that we extracted the honey from about 2 weeks ago. I'll put the link in the description to that video as well. Let's see if the bees are filling this back up, the honey. Yeah, they're filling this back up nicely. That frame's packed with honey. They've started capping it. Brood. Got drone brood. Drone brood. I believe we've got a laying worker. I believe this is a queenless colony with a laying worker. So they think they're queen right. They're not. There's loads of drone larvae, drone brood in these supers above a queen excluder. So I would say this colony are queenless, and we've got a laying worker. Okay, so that is packed with honey, no brood. Again, honey, no brood. We have got brood here, again drone brood. I believe that's drone brood. A couple of larvae there, potentially not drone brood, I don't know. Okay, again, drone brood. Drone brood. Drone brood, drone brood. So, if you've got a laying worker, you've got a queenless colony, sometimes what you'll get is a worker bee will start laying. But worker bees can only lay drone eggs, drone brood. So what you get is you get a colony full of drone brood. But because the bees have got brood, they think they're queen right when they're not. There's a way of dealing with that. I'll do a separate video on that. So hit that subscribe button if you want to see that. I'll do a separate video. So I've had a look through there. I'm not going to bore the rest of those frames. I can see there's just drone brood in this colony, including above the queen excluder. So we've got laying worker, she's laying all over. She's laying in the brood box. She's laying drone brood in the supers. So that's going to have to be dealt with. I need to put a new queen in here. Like I said, I'll do that in a separate video. I'll take you through the procedure. It's a bit more difficult than just re-queen the colony because these bees think they're queen right because they've got a laying worker. So they may well reject the queen that you introduce because I think they've got a queen and they haven't. So if these bees don't get a new queen, they're doomed. Maybe another 4 weeks or so. So what I'm doing is that's an undrawn frame. I'm using that instead of a dummy board. So it's at the point. You can just have an extra frame in there, another frame for the queen to lay in if we had a queen. So I put this back together. Okay, so there you go. That colony was queenless. We've now got a laying worker. That's going to have to be dealt with. I'm going to order a new queen. I'm going to re-queen that colony. Introduce a new queen, hopefully successfully, and get them queen right again. So I'll do that in a separate video. Hit that like button, hit subscribe if you want to see that. I'll see you in a few days for that.